Good morning students, as this welcomes you all. Now we are ready with our new topic, and this topic is bar magnet as equivalent solenoid. Actually the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet for a bar magnet resembles the same property as a solenoid. So the bar magnet can be treated as equivalent solenoid. Now for proving this, we are just taking a solenoid here and a point P which is at a small r distance from the mean point. Let us take a small element dx which is a small x distance from the mean point, and the radius of this solenoid is small a. Now the magnitude of magnetic field due to this small element dx at point P is given by dB is equal to mu naught I n a square dx upon 2 r minus x whole square plus a square power 3 by 2. We have proved this equation, and what is that equation? dB is equal to mu naught I n a square dx upon 2 r minus x whole square plus a square power 3 by 2. This one is equation number 1. Now let us consider if r is much greater than x and r is also much greater than a point, that means this point P lies so far from the solenoid. So the above equation can be treated as r minus x whole square plus a square power 3 by 2 is equal to r square power 3 by 2, that can be written like r cube. Equation number 2. By equation 1 and 2, we get what we get here, that is dB is equal to mu naught I n a square dx upon 2 r cube. What the equation we have got? We have got the equation dB is equal to mu naught n a square dx upon 2 r cube. Now what would be the total magnetic field? What would be the total magnetic field of it? Then we know that we are treating it from L to L. So the total magnetic field is given like capital B is equal to integration from minus L to plus L dB. Now we have to integrate. Let us take this one is equation number 3 and this one is equation number 4. Okay, you are getting this point. So by equation 3 and 4 we are just putting the value here, and what we get, let us see. We get that B is equal to minus L to plus L. What is the value of dB? That is mu naught I n a square dx upon 2r cube. What is the constant term here? That is mu naught I n a square upon 2r cube. It is the constant term. Then this one would be minus L to plus L dx. This one is minus L to plus L dx. Now we will integrate this and we will get the answer, that is mu naught I n a square upon 2r cube, and this one would be dx that integrated like x and minus L to plus L. What is the limit of this? That is minus L to plus L. Now moving further, what we do, that is mu naught I n a square upon 2r cube, and this one can be written like L minus minus plus, this one is also L, that becomes B is equal to mu naught I n a square into 2L upon 2r cube. 2r cube, this one would be equation number 5. Now how can we solve this again further? That we can put the value Now, how will you solve this further? Now we have to do one thing, that we have to multiply and divide it by 2 pi. Then we are just getting 4 pi 2 pi I n a square 2l upon what? R cube. This one can be written like b is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi, and this pi a square can be written like what? A. Then 2 a I n into 2l upon r cube. This one can be written like what? This one is question number 5. Now if m be the magnetic dipole moment of this solenoid, then m can be written like what? N I a into 2l. 2l just because for this solenoid the length can be taken as 2l. So in place of this one we can put the value, that is m. By equation 5 and 6 we get b is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2m by r cube, and this one is a proof of a finite the magnetic field of a finite solenoid. So a bar magnet can be treated as equivalent solenoid. This one is all about this derivation. I hope you are getting this derivation. This one is very easy derivation. Actually what we have taken that a solenoid, we have considered a solenoid and a point P which is at a small r distance from this, and the radius of this can be treated as small a, and we have taken a small element dx first, which is at a small x distance from the mean point. Now what we have done, we have found the magnetic field due to this small element, then we have found the magnetic field due to the whole element, and we have got that this one answer. Then if m be the magnetic moment of this solenoid, then we have put the value and we have got the answer of magnetic field, and it is proven that bar magnet behaves like a equivalent solenoid. I think you all are getting these points. As this, will see you again in next lecture. Thank you.